Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. It's December 14th, 2024, and we're diving into everything you need to know about the cryptocurrency market heading into the next workday. Whether you're holding, trading, or just keeping an eye on the market, today's update is packed with valuable insights. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what's happened so far. Over the weekend, Bitcoin made waves by pushing past the $40,000 mark for the first time in months. This surge came after a key announcement from a leading global payment processor about integrating Bitcoin Lightning Network for faster transactions. Ethereum followed suit, climbing over 5% in the past 24 hours to sit around $2,700. The momentum appears to stem from renewed interest in decentralized applications, particularly in the gaming sector. And speaking of altcoins, Solana's impressive 12% rally today is a story worth watching, driven by developer updates that promise lower transaction costs. But not all was rosy. Ripple's XRP dropped 3%, possibly due to regulatory uncertainty in Europe. It's a reminder that the crypto world never sleeps, and neither should your vigilance. Now, let's talk about what's making headlines. Federal Reserve meeting preview. Tomorrow, the Federal Reserve will provide more clarity on interest rate expectations for early 2025. Historically, hawkish policies have put downward pressure on cryptocurrencies, so traders are bracing for volatility. Institutional buying activity. BlackRock, yes, that BlackRock, reportedly added $500 million worth of Ethereum to its portfolios last week. This could signal increased mainstream adoption and a bullish sentiment from institutional players. Asia-Pacific markets, major exchanges in Singapore and Hong Kong are ramping up efforts to regulate crypto trading. Watch for any news that could affect Asian market hours, as these often set the tone for early morning action in the US. Alright, let's dive into the charts. Here are some key levels to watch. Bitcoin, BTC resistance, $42,000. Support, $38,500. RSI is sitting at 68, suggesting it's close to being overbought. If we see a pullback, it might be an opportunity for latecomers to enter. Ethereum ETH resistance, $2,850. Support, $2,500. The MACD indicator is hinting at bullish momentum, but keep an eye on volume, a dip could stall the uptrend. Solana, SOL resistance, $65. Support, $52. After today's pump, it'll be important to watch for consolidation before any further breakout. Now, let's look ahead to Monday's trading session. Here's my take: short-term traders, be cautious of fakeouts during the early hours. Stick to your stop-loss levels and avoid chasing pumps. Long-term investors, if Bitcoin holds above $40,000, it could be a sign of sustained growth into Q1 2025. Dollar cost averaging might be your best friend here. Risk alert: watch out for sudden moves tied to Fed announcements. A single headline could send the market into a frenzy. Let's take a quick break to answer some of your questions from the comments. Is Cardano worth buying right now? Cardano has been relatively flat, but its roadmap for smart contracts in 2025 looks promising. Just be aware that it's a long-term play. Will meme coins like Dogecoin make a comeback? Meme coins usually shine during speculative periods. With Bitcoin gaining dominance, they're taking a back seat, for now. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the crypto market as we head into the next workday. Remember, the market can be unpredictable, so stay informed, stick to your plan, and always manage your risk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for daily updates. Let's navigate the crypto world together, one day at a time.